This is a fire pit barrel or a burn barrel you can make out of cheap stuff. It's an old washer drum, stainless steel, and then I cut a 55-gallon drum in half to set it on top of for a little stand. And they look pretty cool at night, and I got probably $30 invested in it. But I'll be back in a little bit and I'll show you what it looks like. Here's with the fire pit going. The holes make it see-through, and you can just see the fire. A little bit of redneck engineering. Seen people doing this online, and makes a cheap fire pit, and it looks cool at night. Thanks for checking it out.